It's Wednesday, June 6th, and your stories today are the SEC creates a new position, Google searches for Bitcoin, and the Flintstone Group Hello world, you're watching The Comment on ETHNews. For your first story today, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission announced its appointment of Valerie Sispanik as Senior Advisor for Digital Assets and Innovation for Division Director Bill Hinman, a newly created position in the Corporate Finance Division of the agency. She was also named Associate Director of the Division of Corporate Finance, a pre-existing position. Sispanik formerly served in the Division of Enforcement's Cyber Unit, is the co-head of the Dark Web Working Group, and heads the SEC's Distributed Ledger Technology Working Group, DLT-WG. She also contributed to an SEC investigation and resulting report that deemed tokens offered by the DAO during a purported crowdfunding project to be subjected to securities law. She was also involved in the investigation of Bitfunder. In the SEC's announcement, Sispanik said, quote, "I am excited to take on this new role in support of the SEC's effort to address digital assets and innovation as it carries out its mission to facilitate capital formation, promote fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and protect investors, particularly Main Street investors," unquote. The announcement offered few details on Sispanik's specific responsibilities in this new role. The end of 2017 and early 2018 had nearly everyone, their mother, and even their dog talking about cryptocurrency. The crypto frenzy caused a huge boost in crypto markets, with Ether's price rising over 13,000% in 1 year, reaching a high of $1,417.38. But no coin could come close to Bitcoin mania. In December, Bitcoin temporarily reached $19,000. So, of course, CNBC's recent report shouldn't shock or surprise anyone. On June 4th, CNBC reported that according to research from Google Trends, web searches for the word Bitcoin dropped 75% since the beginning of 2018. The growth in the number of new wallets in 2018 so far was only 3.7%, and compared that to late 2017 when it was 7.6% monthly. Significant decrease in web searches and a 50% price rate drop since the beginning of the year must mean everyone who jumped on the bandwagon has finally jumped off the bandwagon, leaving only us serious investors who realize that the hype behind coins is fun and all, but blockchain technology is the future. Yesterday, India's Financial Capital Crime Branch busted a multi-million cryptocurrency scam. The Flintstone Group, which operated under the guise of a real estate company, sold Caribbean-style homes and promised citizenship in African countries to investors. This all on the pretext of letting them in on an ICO called the Money Trade Coin. The Flintstone Group claimed that putting more money in the coin would increase the chances of citizenship and generate higher returns. Right. A group of businessmen alerted authorities earlier this year about the fraudulent business. They had invested in it and were promised high returns. However, their suspicions were aroused when Flintstone Group's executives had no answers to their questions and frequently missed payout dates. They should have been suspicious when real estate investments looked like this. Just saying. That's our comment for the day, but what do you think? How do you feel about the SEC creating a new position? Are you excited to not have to deal with bandwagon crypto fans anymore? And what crypto scam will people fall for next? Tweet at me, let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day. And as always, don't forget to leave a comment. Join me back here on The Comment as I catch you up on the latest in Ethereum and blockchain. If you like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you didn't like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you get all the newest episodes of The Comment as they air by clicking that alert button. That's that bell-looking thing next to the word subscribe. If you miss our latest episodes, you can catch up on ETHNews.com or on YouTube, or just subscribe so you don't miss them anymore, silly. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ETHNewsy. That's at ETHNewsSy. And we'll see you next time.